Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to read coil status of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. Okay, now in this video we will see how to read discrete input status of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. So your JavaScript will act as a Modbus TCP IP client. It will connect with your Modbus TCP IP device. It can be your hardware device or it can be simulated device, and then it will read the input status from your Modbus TCP IP device. Okay, so let's see how JavaScript can do that. So here is our code. Okay, the main code is this one, read discrete input.js. Okay, and to run this code we have to install the necessary library. So how to install the library? So to install the library you have to run npm install command. Okay, so once you run npm install command, it will install the necessary library in your system, and once the library is installed you will see one folder in your main project folder, which is node_modules. Inside that you will have your all necessary library. Now we are good to run this code to read the discrete input data from our Modbus TCP IP device. Okay, so how to run this code? So to run this code you have to type node and then you have to type the file name read discrete input.js. But let me show you something here. Here is our Modbus simulator software, which is open ModSim software, and here I have simulated Modbus TCP device, and it is running in my local system, so that's why IP address is localhost IP address and the port number is 502, as you can see here. Now inside this JavaScript code we have already defined that what is the IP address of my Modbus TCP device and what is the port number and how much number of input status we are going to read and at what interval we are going to read. Okay, so let's run this code and let's see the result. Okay, you can see false true, true false, false true. So it will read the data at every second from my simulated Modbus TCP device. Okay, and here you can see the result. Okay, now let me show you the code. So here is the code. Here you can see we have defined our localhost IP address here with the port number 502 because my simulated device is running in my local system. So that's why I have to provide my localhost IP address, and the port number is 502, as you can see here. And if you have any physical device, then you have to provide your physical device IP address and port number for your physical device to connect with that device and to read the data. Now we are going to read the 8 input status, so that thing you have to specify here, that how much input status you are going to read. So starting from 0 we are going to read the 8 input status. Okay, here is the set interval. Okay, so set interval is 1000 milliseconds, so it will read the data at every second. Okay, and that's why we are getting the result at every second, so we don't miss any update of our input status. Okay, so this is how you can use JavaScript to read input register data, holding register data, coil status, or discrete input status from your Modbus TCP IP device. Okay, if you want to get the code, then you can get the code from this link. Okay, you can visit and you can get the code. So far we have covered these 4 things. Okay, that how to read holding register data of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript, as well as input register data, coil status data, and in this video we have covered that how to read discrete input status of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. So here is our JavaScript, here is our Modbus simulator, and here we are reading the data. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can comment on this video. Also you can send me a mail. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and in the next video we are going to cover more about JavaScript and IoT protocols like OPC, Modbus, BACnet, and MQTT. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.